Good evening and namaste. What a pleasure it is to be amongst all of you and to see the energy and a lot of the admiration still patent in the room after a very long day. Professor Leon, Professor Vyon, definitely Dr. Kodali, who's guiding hand through the many years of putting this together, and of course Dr. Srinivas Kumar, who's held this together for so many years with a great passion, but also Dr. Venkatram, Dr. Rat, and every single one of you in the audience. Let me specially acknowledge each one of you and say that your presence here is a testimony to your dedication to bringing the best care to patients. And therefore, in that journey, I wish you the very best and commit on behalf of our organization to do whatever we can to be with you. I must begin by telling Dr. Leon that one of the highlights of his speech was, of course, acknowledging how nice it was to bring Mrs. Leon to India. And I think that when you do that, you transform this from a great medical education program to bonds of family friendship that will continue to tie you stronger and stronger, and therefore I truly appreciate, I welcome, and I hope you've had a wonderful time. I think in the field of cardiothoracic surgery and interventional cardiology, all of us are very clear of the non-communicable disease. Cardiac is still the #1 killer. As technology grows and evolves, as all of you have become, as cardiologists, more and more invasive, and your cardiothoracic surgeons responded by becoming minimally invasive, and we just kept on evolving. And yet, it remains the #1 killer. It contributes to 28% of all deaths in India. And the fact is that there are so many methodologies, technologies, treatments, lifestyle behavior modifications, early warning symptoms that could bring down these numbers. So it is important for us to continue to strive and pursue an all-together, as beautifully said, multidisciplinary innovation lens towards keeping people healthy and happy, towards preventing heart disease, towards minimizing, reducing or completely eliminating premature deaths due to cardiac problems. We've seen it very often. It is the reason that Apollo Hospitals began, for those of you who do not know. That Dr. Reddy, who was a practicing cardiologist, used to refer his patients to Dr. Denton Cooley. One day he lost a young man before they had enough time to get their visa to go to the US and to raise $100,000 required for that treatment. That day he committed that we must find a way to bring the global talent, create the infrastructure, and cure people in India itself. That was 1983, many, many years ago, many decades ago. And today, almost 73 hospitals, over 300,000 angioplasty procedures, millions of patients. But whatever are the numbers, our clinics, our pharmacies, our procedures, the cath labs, whatever it is, I think the energy and the momentum and the commitment to stay young, to stay innovative, and to continue to pursue